I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Dee, and we are now at 13 months since your hair transplant. And I'm going to actually let you tell us all about your experience, and 13 months later, we're going to show the before and after pictures, but tell us about your experience and how happy you are with your hair transplant.
Okay, so I suffered from traction alopecia from years of tension styling, from braids, from being in the military for 8 years, and I finally decided once I was out that I wanted to have a transplant. I was feeling insecure about it. I missed certain hairstyles, and I always kind of felt like I was hiding, my most authentic self. So it's like I decided to do some research into what my options were, and the most consistent and most highly rated recommendations was coming from Natural Transplants, particularly in Fort Lauderdale. So I was like, okay, I definitely want to go there. So I planned, and I went, and I'm very excited with the results. It's here we are a year later, and
You have your edges back. You have your edges back. Your boyfriend, you said, notices that you look different.
Yes, my mother. My boyfriend and my mother. They were pretty much the only two individuals who had ever really seen my hair pulled back, because otherwise it was styling. I was, parting it and, having my hair go down this way and this way. Some creative way to always hide my edges, hoping a stiff wind never blew or anything like that. So, this definitely has honestly given me some of my confidence back. And, I've just been enjoying styling my hair. And
believe me, I'm part of the club. I've had a hair transplant myself, and the confidence that it really brings you back, it makes you feel younger, look younger. So let's show off the results. So I'm going to have you put your chin all the way down. So that's the hairline. We had a huge hairline to work with. And now I'm going to have you look straight and then look to the left. And you can see how we reformed her hairline, pretty much following her old hairline, and look to your right. And it looks absolutely amazing. You're 13 months, and look back at me. And would you recommend getting a hair transplant to other people?
Absolutely, absolutely.
And of course with Dr. Siegel or anybody here at Natural Transplants, I hope.
Yes, a wonderful experience. The staff was great. I'll never forget it. Very compassionate and kind. And as you can see, the results look great.
And a lot of personality in my room.
Yeah, absolutely, there was.
You look absolutely amazing. I am so happy that we were able to catch up at the year mark. And for anybody else out there who's looking into possibly getting a hair transplant, again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Please contact us. And Dee, it is amazing seeing you. You look absolutely amazing, and so happy for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.